What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to Small Feet Big Heat, and today I got a mail time video for you guys. It's been a while since we did one of these on the channel, and I did pick up something recently that I want to share. So here it is. As you guys can see, I actually picked this up from eBay, and it is Supreme. So yes, I bought Supreme off of eBay. I know I'm probably triggering a lot of you guys, but before StockX, eBay was the place to go to buy your Supreme if you couldn't get your hands on it through like a local meetup or whatever. So if you know what you're doing, it's safe to buy Supreme off of eBay, and a lot of the times you can get a much better deal like I did on this piece here. So let's start opening this up. I don't want to make this video too long. I've been looking at this piece since it released, and it is a fall 19 item. I was kind of just waiting for the right price, or at least the price that I wanted to pay. And I was looking at StockX, and I was looking at eBay, Grail. I'm a size small, so Supreme items in a size small are a little bit more difficult to find. And if you do find them, most people want outrageous prices for them. So as you guys can see, we have that red and white Supreme bag. No stickers inside. That kind of sucks, but when you're buying it secondhand or from a seller, you really don't get stickers unless they advertise it, and I'm okay with that, especially with the price that I paid for this. So this is the most hooded sweatshirt. Now if you guys remember from my lookbook preview video, this released week 0, week 1, whatever you want to call it. And I told you guys that this piece in the orange or the olive was like one of my favorite hoodies from the season. I really like this one. Something just pulled me to it, and I couldn't stop thinking about it ever since. I took an L on release day, so this is a delayed W, you guys. The most hooded sweatshirt from Supreme. And as you guys can see inside that letter in there, it says who's fucking us over the most. Now when some people saw this originally, they read it as Supreme is fucking us over the most. I didn't read it like that. I read it as a bunch of different factors that just could be fucking you over in life, or you know, the bots, the resellers, fucking Urban Outfitters now reselling Supreme, kind of like that angle to it. I don't know. It's a dope sweater. Not gonna get too deep into it. I'll let that focus. And then as you guys can see, it is a size small. I guess I could put this on now, give you guys a little bit of a try on, so I'll be right back. And this is it, you guys, the Supreme most hooded sweatshirt. Definitely like it. It's real cozy. It's kind of stiff right now, but of course once I wash it, it'll soften up, loosen up a little bit. I'm very, very glad that I copped this. Hoodie season is upon us, and I definitely feel a little bit more prepared now. So this hoodie actually retailed for $168, and I picked it up on eBay for $206. That's with shipping and taxes included. Down below in the comments, let me know where you like to cop your Supreme pieces from. I hope no one says Urban Outfitters, but if you enjoyed today's video, make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, show a small YouTuber some love, and of course I will see you guys in the next one.